Nakaka-glow talaga siya, girl. Okay, ang tagal kong hindi nakapag-vlog kasi sobrang busy. But today, aalis tayo. Today is Friday. Pupunta tayo sa vacation na nirent ng family ni A. And pupunta din yung mommy ko doon. Sasama kami guys kasi we are invited. Ang busy ko pa din. Ang dami ko pa din gagawin pagkapunta namin doon. Like mga works ko and also mga school works. Like, brand works and school works. So, magkaiba yun. And binabalance ko talaga sila. So, ngayon lang ako nakapag-vlog. Palagi itong low-bat. I think we have to go.
Kunin mo.
Let's go!
Pangit ng bagong buhok ko ngayon, hindi ko gusto.
Panong pangat?
O baka ako na talaga yung may problema.
Ayan si mama. Puro picture. Yun lang yung matatanging gusto kong gawin is kumain. So guys, look at this place. Sinetapan na pa nila to para mapakita ko. Diba? It's so nice! The bonfire, guys. See? Yay! Bigyan mo naman. Ganda. Ganda, no? Perfect. Bagong gawa. Ito nakakawan ako sa vlog. Hi! Siguro watong wala.
Barbecue.
Let's eat! May shrimp, guys. I love shrimp. It's already 11:56 p.m. Tomorrow kasi I have to wake up early kasi nga may pasok pa ako. Ang layo ng lugar na to, guys, sa square. This is the next day. Sakit ng pakiramdam ko kasi kahapon pala, dinatnan na ako. So, ang sakit-sakit sa pakiramdam ngayon. I have a group meeting with my group mates sa digital marketing. So, this one is every Saturday. Kaya nga, ang hassle nga kagabi kasi, diba, we went to Tarlac. Tapos, pabalik-balik kami. Tapos, we ended up na umuwi na lang ng apartment kasi, yun nga, may group project or meeting ako today with my group mates. Sa cafe kami and I'm with my boyfriend. Kasi ako lang daw mag-isang babae sa group namin. So, sinamahan niya ako. Actually, dapat hindi niya ako sasamahan kasi napapunta pa siya ng mom niya doon. Magkabati siya pumunta. I haven't eat today, so baka doon na lang tayo mag-eat. Gutom ako. Gusto ko nga ng chocolate, yung triple chocolate. Tip ko talaga siya. And dala ko yung laptop ko kasi magbe-business immersion kami. And I might use my camera later for our video recording. I don't know. So, let's see na lang. Tada! Hi, babe.
Kasi nakabutan.
Guys, so kakatapos ko lang mag-shoot ng mga TikTok videos. I did my makeup. I'm reaching out to Sir Nico kasi magpapa-read ako. Kasi nga, diba, Happy New Year. Happy Chinese New Year, guys! Now kasi is nag-change na yung year, which is naging Dragon Year na. So, I need to reach out to Sir Nico ulit para magpa-read kasi pwedeng, magbago lahat ng nangyari. I don't know, guys, if naniniwala kayo sa tarot reading, pero ako, yes, I do. Siguro, I consider it as a guide sa life ko, if that makes sense. Before that, gawa muna ako ng snacks ko kasi I haven't eat my snacks. Nagugutom ako kasi after ko talagang mag-shoot ng mga brand videos ko, I will do my snacks. Favorite drinks ko, guys. This is buko pandan and then ube. Bakit sobrang dark? Ubus na ubus ko na tong buko pandan kasi favorite ko talaga siya. So, etong buko pandan, parang siya, meron siyang slimming effect. Ube naman is meron siyang oral sunblock. Parehas masarap, I swear. Pero most of the time, itong buko pandan nga ako since focus siya on slimming. Makes your skin very glowing. Na-test ko talaga siya. Sobrang stress out ko lately and feeling ko napapabayaan ko na yung sarili. Like, minsan di na ako nakapag-skincare and all. But, I'll make sure to drink this drinks kasi hindi na ako super haggard tignan. As in, ang glowing ng skin ko, ang blooming always. guys. It's so good. Oh my god. Imagine by just drinking this one, diba? You're taking care of your skin, your health, then nakaka-boost din siya ng immune system natin, everything. So, I'll make sure to drink this talaga. And it's so yummy talaga kasi ako mismo kinikrave ko siya. So, ready na daw si sir. Wait lang, malikot. Ngayon na daw eh. So, kung gusto niyo din magpahula, guys, I will insert Sir Nico Facebook page here. So, he can do online booking. So, through video call yan. Papakita niya sa inyo yung mga cards by video call. And talagang ma-amaze kayo, I swear. Bawat read niya sa akin, na-amaze talaga ako, especially nung una, nang as hindi ko pa talaga siya kilala at all. Parang alam mo yung sabay kaming lumaki na alam niya lahat ng past ko. So, yeah, let's do it. I'm just waiting for his call, tapos mag-start na kami. Hello, sir.
Ma'am Bambi, good evening.
Good evening po. Naka-vlog ako ngayon, sir. You wanna say hi to my vlog po? Go.
Good evening. Hope you're all okay. I wish you all the best. Hirap na trabahan ko nag-start na.
Yes po.
Thank you for this opportunity, Ma'am Bambi. To you and to Sir Carl and to everyone who's listening to your vlog.
No problem,
And I hope,
sir.
as I open the first card, there are good things that will happen to you, to your family, and to your fans in Facebook, in YouTube, and in TikTok also. Because the first card shows a lot of money. There are a lot of people will be successful, but those people will be 25, 22, 21 above. There are influencers that will earn more, including you.
Wow.
Some will make a lot of business, and their business will grow. It will all be successful. But despite of all the good things that I saw, there will be a lot of fightings this year, including you. Because if there is a success, there is a failure. Ang hilig pa naman yung kumain.
Ay, opo.
Rin siyang madapuan ng lamok.
Galing QC.
Oo nga. Anong ginawa mo sa QC?
Baby. Okay lang bigyan natin ng isang kabong sa pagkain.
Sige. Anong ginawa mo sa
Ano
QC? Hi guys! Itong drinks na to, ang dami niyang benefits guys. It's also for maintaining my weight, my skin. Nakaka-glow talaga siya girl. As in, pampa-fresh, ganon. Hilihi yata ako sa buko pandan girl. Buti hindi ako naging green. Sobrang sarap. It's so milky.
No, pa? Hey. Happy Valentine.
It's fine.
Yeah. Hi ka na date mo ako?
Kaya pala hindi ko mapakali. So huge guys. It's bigger than me. See? Binuhat ko siya. I can't even carry it. Kaya hindi siya mapakali. And it's his first time na aalis siya. Pupunta siyang Manila. Then, iiwan niya ako. Without telling me kung ano talaga yung ganap niya. So bigat. Grabe, lit na mukha ko. Nagla-ilaw siya. You guys can see it. Umiilaw siya! So pretty. Parang Pasko. Thanks, babe. I love you.
picture kita dun.
Ihintay mo talaga mag-12?
Oo.
For real? Kahit naantok ka? Kawawa ka naman. So sweet mo.